Hello everybody, welcome back to Jeff's Computer Service on YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 7 as a virtual machine. For this process, we're gonna be using VMware Workstation Pro. For those who do not know, Windows 7 is approximately 15 years old. It came out July 22nd, 2009. And also, if you did not know, recently VMware Workstation became free. So this one Workstation Pro is actually free. You can just make an account, log in, and you can just download it. Same as VMware Fusion if you want to have a virtual machine on a Mac and open Windows on it. There's also that option. You needed to pay for that, but now it becomes free. So, but basically the difference in this, it's actually not that much of a difference. I would say the only big difference is basically the interface on how the VMware Workstation Player looks compared to Workstation Pro. The interface is very different if you haven't used it before. So let's get started with this. Let's just open up a VMware Workstation. Now from here, let's just click on create a new virtual machine. Okay, we're gonna keep everything default in this case. So typical recommended, click next. From here, let's find the ISO that we're gonna be installing. Just browse through it. In my case, we're on the desktop. Let's go here, find it, where is it? Here it is. Open that. It detected Windows 7. That's perfect. Let's just click on next. And now from here, I actually don't have a product key. So basically we're gonna be using this as a non-genuine Windows. So I'm gonna pick the Ultimate Edition. Okay, I'm gonna leave my name and put a password. Okay, whoops. Okay, and there we go. Next. That's fine, we can do it manually. There's no issue with that. Do I want to see this machine again? No. I want to name it Win7 VM. Very simple, Windows 7 virtual machine. Next. From here, since this is a demonstration, it recommends 60 gigs. I'm actually just increase that. Like, I want 100, even though I might use it for something else. Now, I always like to use as a single file. That's really just my preference, but you can also do a split if you want. Now everything here, we're gonna leave it as default. We're not really gonna change anything. It should already work immediately. So we're just gonna finish here and wait for this to be done. Just give that a few seconds. It's almost there. Any second now. Any second now. Okay, now it should be, oh, there we go. Now it actually turned on automatically. Okay. Okay, there, detected the ISO. Perfect. And there we go, the startup screen. Yeah, it's gonna take a little while, and there they are. Now after that, let's just wait for this to load. If for whatever reason you can't use your desktop mouse, sometimes it just doesn't take it off. Right down there to your bottom left, it says to return to computer, press Control Alt. If for whatever reason the mouse doesn't work on your actual physical machine. Now let's just wait for this. I'm gonna just go ahead and just fast forward this part. This is gonna take maybe like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll see you in the next step. Let's just fast forward now. Okay guys, there you have it. So it finally finished loading that part. That took like 5 or 10 minutes extras. Now we should finally start seeing the login page so we can actually start using the computer. Now let's just wait a little longer. This should be the last step. Okay, there we go. Let's give that a few more seconds and everything should be already good to go, and we don't really have to do anything else. Okay, well, haven't heard that in a while. Okay, and there we have it. Okay, detected my network. Let's click on home. Yes, connected. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I don't want that. Nope. Okay, there we have it, guys. So you have it running already here. The old Windows. So if you want to put this in full screen, if I'm not mistaken, just click on right click here, screen resolution. It should allow you to change it. Okay, here we go. So my case, my computer is 1920 by 1080. Keep it like that. Click apply and keep it. Yep, there we go. Now from here, on the virtual machine, on the VMware, click here on full screen, and there you go. You have a virtual machine Windows 7 from the past and your Windows 11 computer or 10 computer. Okay guys, well that's basically it. If any of you guys have, if anybody has any issues that it didn't work, or you want to change something, like add a hard drive, something different, or anything that you want related to this, please leave a comment below. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. And if you want, I will make more videos about this. So if anybody has like something that they actually want to try but don't know how to do, you might give me more ideas about this. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and have a good one as always. Goodbye.